In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Redbubble display name. Whether you're looking to rebrand, just starting out, or simply want to change, updating your display name on Redbubble can be a quick and easy way to make your shop feel more personal and professional. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Redbubble website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and head over to the Redbubble homepage. This digital marketplace is an exciting space where you can explore thousands of unique products designed by independent artists from around the globe. It's also the place where you can showcase your own artistic ventures. Once you're on the Redbubble homepage, the next step is to access your account. To do this, look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page, a simple yet essential step towards personalizing your account. Now it's time to input your credentials. Begin by typing your email address into the designated field. Make sure you use the email associated with your Redbubble account to avoid any login issues. Following this, you'll need to enter your password. Remember to type it in exactly, as passwords are case sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually an option to reset it. With your email and password entered, you can proceed to log in by clicking the Log In button. Successfully logging in will bring you back to the Redbubble homepage. But this time you're logged in, which means you're one step closer to updating your display name. Your next move is to navigate to your account settings. You can do this easily by clicking on your profile located at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you various options. Look for Account Settings and click on it. This section of your account is where you can manage personal information, preferences, and most importantly, your display name. Once you're in the account settings, you will need to scroll down until you find the section labeled as Copyright Name. This might sound a bit formal, but it's essentially the area where your display name is stored. Now it's time for the main event, changing your shop name. Click into the field under Copyright Name and type in your new desired shop name. This is your chance to be creative and choose a name that truly represents your brand or persona on Redbubble. After you've entered your new name, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a save button near where you've entered your new name. Clicking this button will apply the changes to your account, effectively updating your display name across the Redbubble platform. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your display name on Redbubble. It's important to note that while the process of changing your name is straightforward, choosing the right name can take some consideration. Think about how your name represents your art or the brand you're building on Redbubble. A good display name not only reflects your identity, but can also attract more visitors to your shop, ultimately leading to more sales. Remember, changing your display name can be a great opportunity to refresh your brand and start anew, but be sure it's a change that aligns with the vision you have for your shop. We've walked through the entire process step by step, from logging into Redbubble, navigating to your account settings, to updating and saving your new display name. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful and you're now equipped to change your display name on Redbubble with confidence. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Redbubble's support for help. Thank you for watching and happy creating on Redbubble.